So the quickest way of to, let's say, change something about the way how you feel during the day or about your energy state are these three things: diet, breathwork, and lifestyle. If you have good, nutritious food, if your breathing apparatus is working properly, and if your lifestyle, let's say, waking up at a certain time, going to bed early enough, having enough sleep, if you maintain all of these three things, chances are very, very good that your energy level is proper. Yeah. If the diet is not good, if your breath is not good, if your lifestyle is not good, still you're alive somehow, but the energy that is now being sucked out from you in order to make you still functioning, it is coming from something that we, let's say, in the ancient tradition call, it comes from your essence. The essence that in traditional Chinese medicine we regard as being stored in the kidneys. Yeah, so the kidney, which means ultimately, to make it short, no good lifestyle, no good food, no good breath, life short. You die early.
Yeah, that's
very, very simple.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it.